Hi, Chris here, Martin Atkinson Specialist Cars. A lovely Volkswagen T-roc R-Line. This one is the soft top convertible model. It's the 1.5 petrol DSG engine. This one is a 21 registered, just done 19,500 miles. One lady owner from new, full Volkswagen service history, all four done at the supplying dealer, fully MOT'd, serviced in June this year, and in lovely condition. Now the vehicle is in a unusual colour. It's called Smoky Grey Metallic, lovely metallic finish. It's had a few options, additional factory options. So it's had the wind deflector, it's had the 19-inch bi-colour alloys, it's had the park assist pack with the reverse camera, and also the winter pack with the heated seats. It's the R-Line model, as I said, so it's got a lovely sports interior, digital dashboard, air conditioning, climate control, air conditioning actually, dual zone, Apple CarPlay wireless, Discover Media navigation, you name it, this one's got it. Okay, so I'll just walk you around the condition. Super condition. Just one stone attached, stone chip on the bonnet there. But as you see, for 4 years old, lovely condition, 19,000 miles. Really suits the car, this colour. Let's say it's the R-Line model. Great specification. All the spec will be on our website. Unusual to find one of these, one owner, from new, 4 supplying Volkswagen dealer service stamps. MOT all done at the Volkswagen dealership. Digital dashboard, full screen Discover Media, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, heated seats, dual zone climate control, electric roof of course, DSG gearbox. It's lovely R-Line interior, auto headlights, folding wing mirrors, adaptive cruise control. Is a 4-seater convertible. show you in the boot there as well. Excuse the rug. So, wind deflectors in there. There's some photographs on our website with the roof up as well as the roof down. Live on our website now, www.martinatkinsoncars.co.uk. Just give a quick recap. So it's a 2021 21 plate Volkswagen T-roc. It's the R-Line model, convertible, soft top, cabriolet, whatever you want to call it. R-Line 1.5 petrol DSG automatic, 19,000 miles, one lady owner from new, full Volkswagen, 4 services done at Volkswagen dealership, MOT's done there as well. Super condition. There we go. Give myself a call, Chris, on 07888 989877. Thanks for watching. Speak to you soon. Bye for now.